In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sum arrange with the array formula here in Google Sheets. So we use the array formula here in Google Sheets when we want one formula to automatically work for an entire range instead of copying the same formula down each row. So in this example, if I wanted to, let's say, sum this entire range right here, but I want to sum it row by row. This is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to start with my equal sign right here. Now, normally how we would do this would be with the sum function. There you have it. Select that range and press enter. If I want to fill out the rest of my data, I can just drag the right bottom corner of that cell, and there you have it. Now, what if I want to make sure there are no mistakes or that nobody would be able to delete a formula like so? Because it's so easy to delete one. What I can do instead of that would be to use the array formula and sum the entire range, and even if there are new data to be entered, it will automatically sum that row. So let's go ahead and do that. And again, we're doing this with the array formula. So start with your equal sign again at the top. Go ahead and type in array formula or select it right there. And instead of using the sum function, because we actually can't use that to select the entire range right here, what we're going to do is to select the cell, then just put the letter B right there, which instantly selects the entire B column without the headers. There you have it. Then I'm going to put in the plus sign. Again, we are summing the entire range row by row. So I'm moving on to the next column. There you have it. C2 to C plus D2 to D. So that is our formula. We're basically adding this row by row. If we close this off, press enter, here we have it. So now not only have we filled out the rest of our data right here, in any case that somebody does try to delete or accidentally deletes this part right here, they won't be able to because the formula is dynamically rolled out cell by cell. If I double click on this, there's no formula, just the values that have already been calculated for that range. And there you have it. So again, if we do have new data right here, let's say we have a purchase price of 50, then shipping costs of 10, import fees of 2, it has automatically been summed and totaled right at the end of that row. So the array formula is best when you want a formula that automatically processes an entire column or range, making your spreadsheet easier to maintain and scalable as your data grows. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you might want to check out. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.